All right, so the Stream Deck is now set up. So I officially have a Stream Deck now for future live stream events for Golden Globes, Oscars, and live watch alongs for movies and TV shows. As you can see, the OBS is already set up though. It's already paired with the Stream Deck, so that's really good. We want to be on GG24, so that's what the Stream Deck wants to be. So we're on we're on the main page though for our profile since I already set it up. So we have to hit GG24. All right, and now I'm going to show you how this thing works, like your very own personal video switcher, though. So it's going to be pretty cool. So here we go, guys. All right, so to go live, we press this, and then we press this button when we're live. All right, and then a few seconds later, once the YouTube feed is live on this end, my MacBook Pro where I get the chats and everything else. You see that? Yep. We hit 5-minute countdown. 3, 2, 1, like this. And 5-minute countdown is rolling while music's playing though. You're not gonna hear it though, of course, though, but right now though, because I don't have my speakers plugged in. All right.